In this video, we will demonstrate how to find and use member system status using the aircraft's onboard diagnostics on the Cessna Citation Sovereign aircraft. Using member system status is a quick and easy way to isolate an issue. In this example, the number 2 COM and nav frequencies and the number 2 transponder squawk code are dashed out in the cockpit. Start by selecting Maintenance from the pull-down map menu on the MFD, or selecting Remote Terminal if you're using a laptop as shown in this example. From the main menu, select CMC Functions as shown. Next, select Member System Status. The systems are sorted by ATA chapters. White ATA chapters are operational. Cyan ATA chapters may have an issue. Select Chapter 23, Communications. This shows everything related with the NIM2 module is not communicating and is shown in cyan. This could be caused by the NIM module not being powered on, not loaded with software, or the module has failed. Please note HF radio number 1 and number 2 do not report status to the aircraft diagnostics and is normal to show as LRU no com in cyan even though they are fully operational. This shows the NIM2 issue has been resolved and the NIM2 module is operational. The number 2 COM and nav, along with the number 2 transponders, are now properly working.